Why did you break that dish?
Well, I'm sorry, but it said try our unbreakable dishes, so I just picked them up and I just tapped.
You did it again.
Well, for heaven's sake, why does it say unbreakable when they're breakable?
Those are unbreakable. These are imported China.
And breakable.
You should know.
These are the unbreakable?
Guaranteed. There are 59 different departments in this store. Why did you have to come to this one? Never mind. Now, just what kind of dishes do you want?